beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back.
Breeze na-eku ikuku ka mara na trouser. I mean, father you can trouser. That is our popular saying. Many usurpers, many people that came in through the back door are being revealed. I am telling you honestly. Before I continue, let me go to read a memo by the leadership of this struggle. It's a memo. Please listen attentively. Expulsion memo, please. The date is 16th September 2021. Expulsion memo. The Directorate of State, from the Directorate of State. The Directorate of State of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, has deemed it pertinent to once again remind all principal servants of IPOB that one of the fundamental guiding principles of this great movement is the principle of command and control. Discipline and discipline and obedience to constituted authority are key part of this principle. Having constituted an insufferable nuisance to the IPOB family worldwide, and for continually engaging in acts that undermine the guiding principles, the fundamental objectives, and the structure of this great movement, Mrs. Nelly Ofebu is hereby relieved of her responsibility as IPOB Asset Recovery Officer and expelled forthwith from IPOB. The Directorate of State of the Indigenous People of Biafra wish to unambiguously restate that this great movement, led by Onyenduma Nnamdi Kanu, has no place for those with hidden motives and agendas. Anyone that desires to belong to IPOB family must adhere to IPOB rules and regulations. Every IPOB principal officer must immediately disassociate him or herself from and cease further communication with the expelled individual. Ignore this directive at your own peril. Signed by Maazi Chika Edoziem, Head of Directorate of State of the Indigenous People of Biafra. So you have heard it, people that listen to gossip. This movement is bigger than anybody. And I say, this is a mass movement. It is bigger than anybody. Do you understand? Let me tell people that are listening to me, please. If we are restoring a country that one person will be above the law, and we try to institute his or her will, or do whatever he or she wants without discipline, just like the so-called Nigeria, people, judge yourself. Isn't it better then we continue quagmiring in that ocean of madness called Nigeria? Why should we sacrifice selflessly in order to bring up another failed state? You know, there is no advanced civilization that comes without discipline. Do you understand? Therefore, for your information, those that are listening to gossip, Nelly Ofebu is not a member of the DOS. She was given a special assignment by our leader, but she deems that she is now above everything. So, you know, there are many things anyway, but she's been expelled. Take note. It is now that we are, you know, joining, trying to see what the grand plan. Oh, Chineke Onyebere. Ndị chie nara na-ekele. You know, sometimes what is happening now, when we, you know, plus 1 minus 1, a squared, you know, add quadratic equation, different equations. Now we are seeing what was the grand plan. These people are trying, honestly. They don't want IP, they want to destroy IPOB. Do you remember? Immediately our leader was extraordinarily rendition. People wanted to hijack Radio Biafra direct. IPOB, our leader said something. It will take you 60 years to penetrate IPOB. Another 150 years to shake the foundations of IPOB. Politicians, they can sponsor people anywhere in the world, Biafrans, in order to pretend to be, oh, we are, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we love you. They can even contribute money, waiting for the right time. But once, you know, we did atonement. Once we know how to, you know, unmask the secret. We know where we press. You know, open our eyes and, you know. Therefore, excuse me, neglecting something. Excuse me. I said IPOB is divine. You know, people that we are acting on sentiments now, it is downing on people the grand agenda. Once they hijack Radio Biafra in order to be able to be speaking to people, now they unleash the mayhem on IPOB to destroy it right from, you know, they just wanted to carry IPOB, give to politicians in a platter of gold and say, okay, it's for you now. Look at how we have played it. Did you remember? Oh, give this person Radio Biafra. Hey, this and that. Hey, let him anchor. There, you know, the plan is there, step by step. Because IPOB is shaking Nigeria. Therefore, according to the revelations of Kunle Olawumi, Commodore Kunle Olawumi, they used to do series of high-level security meetings in order to do what? In order to attack the problem. IPOB, including IPOB, attack it so that, you know, to find the, how did he put it? The center of gravity. so that they will destroy it. But little did they know that if they tell them the crop of people in IPOB, they will not believe it. IPOB is structured in a way that it's just like you cannot catch A. It's impossible. That is how IPOB is. So these people that have been flaking themselves, they will come as angels of light. But later on, you start seeing their colors. Later on, you start seeing, later on, you start seeing the intelligence in the leadership of IPOB. And later on, you start praising them and praising Chukwu Okeabia. That is how we are. Because this is a divine project. It's a divine project. People are, let me tell you, sometimes, even in the intelligent world, some people will be used without even knowing it. Some people sometimes, because of their quest or their greed for money, they will be used, but they will not know that they are being used to, entrench one part of the agenda. They will not know. That is why even Christ told the apostles, Moronanya, watch and pray. Do you understand? Because the times are evil. Watch and pray. The times are evil. Any person in our midst, once you are not genuine, a time will come, once that evil spirit, that demon that brought you into IPOB, it will start shaking you. You will never listen. Our leader have been saying it. And he said, no, because that thing, it's just like when a baby is up to 9 months in the womb, he wants to get out. If he doesn't get out, either him and the bearer, the mother will perish, or one of them will perish.
In fact, it will be a shameful thing that the leader of Biafra, His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we come out and see all these things that is going on. It's so shameful. Right now, we don't even know who is right or who is wrong. We don't even know who is speaking the main truth and who is even lying, because everybody is now master to his or her own self. In case you don't know who is Dr. Nelly that is just suspended or expelled, Dr. Nelly is one of a very vibrant IPOB member. She has in one way or the other come out with some evidence about misfund, that is mismanagement of the money being sent to Eastern Security Network. And she has been outspoken recently talking about how they are using the money, of which a lot of people don't really understand, but some people understood everything. So now the DOS just suspend her or sack her or relieve her of her position, of which we are still asking why. In case you don't understand, we are still asking why. All right, my wonderful family, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress. I bring you the news the way it is. And if you know you haven't joined this family, oh my word, please do well to subscribe, join this family, so that whenever I upload a new video like this, you will be the first to be notified. All right, my wonderful family, I choose to leave you here for now. Bye.